a simple problem from numerical analysis, and this is from operator. Here it is said that delta into Nebla, this is equal to what? 4 options are given, and we find first delta into Nebla, we operate fx. So this is delta of Nebla of fx, and this is given by delta of Nebla of fx. This means fx minus f of x minus h. This is the step length, right? Now delta fx minus delta f of x minus h, and this is given by f of x plus h minus fx. This is the definition of delta, and from here the definition of Nebla is given by, definition of delta on this is given by f of x minus h plus h minus f of x minus h, because the definition of delta fx is given by f of x plus h minus fx. Okay, so we get from here f of x plus h minus fx, and from the second term we get this is fx minus fx minus h. Okay, and now the definition of Nebla fx, we already used this definition here. This is fx minus f of x minus h. So in place of this we may put Nebla fx. So this is delta fx and this is Nebla fx. And taking common fx from right side, we get delta minus Nebla into fx, and this is given by delta into Nebla fx, and from this relation we write that delta into Nebla, this is equal to delta minus Nebla, or we may write this is equivalent to this. So our correct option is option number B. Very simple problem of numerical operator, which are forward difference operator and backward difference operator. Okay, thank you for watching.